Alright, you guys, what is up? And welcome to today's Low. Don't know why I have this. Let's go put this in the bedroom. I mean, this isn't a bedroom, but in the bathroom. It's so dark in here, you can't see. Okay, get ready. Ready for blindness here. Don't know if you see. I can't see anything. Alright, just listen to the sound of my voice right now. Oh god, that is bright. Oh god, my camera go out of focus. God, focus. It's too bright in here for it. So my dad changed these. We had like 3 of them out. He changed it, but hi. Time for total darkness again. Just listen to the sound of my voice right now. Alright. Is it focused? But that light is really bright. But yeah, I just wanted to say Happy Easter to you guys too. I didn't really do all that much. Just worked 1 to 6 today. Then I couldn't go to my grandma's because it was too late for the party because Easter dinner because of work. But I got home. My mom brought me some stuff home. Just playing walking the dog. Or it could be a yo-yo. Oh, yo, ready? Ooh. Now you walk the dog. Okay, that's enough of that. Ready, I'm gonna do a cool move right here. Think about like this now. But yeah, it was measuring the cakes again like 20 times. 20 times before. Just saying the desk will fit the case, and it will. Pretty sure it will. I think I just got to wait till probably my birthday or something to get it. Cause the birthday is May 2nd, if you guys didn't know. But yeah. Anyways, I was playing with this, doing the same thing, but I dropped it on my toe, and I hurt my toe just staying for a couple of minutes, for probably like 5 minutes or something like that. That I broke my toe, but I didn't. And it hurt really bad. It stung and everything. Oh, the pain that I felt in my toe. Oh God. I hear a truck outside. Maybe my neighbor. Maybe my neighbor. Oh no. Maybe someone's stealing my truck. Focus. Crap. Focus. There we go. That's good. But yeah, I gotta do truck again tomorrow. This is my last week because we're getting a new guy next week. Where's the side chopper? think it might be a chopper. What are my blinds? Let's see if we cannot see it here. These suck. Oh. There we go. Alright, do I see anything? Can't even see me. This is what I saw. Nope, nothing. I'm pretty sure it is a chopper. Not sure. That would look cool. Yeah. Couldn't get that on camera, something. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. But I gotta work tomorrow. I gotta do church tomorrow. So I don't know if it should be a one taker tomorrow or just a normal vlog. But anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. So if you guys are brand new, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys tomorrow as always. And have a good day or night or whenever you're watching this. Bye.